I love weird things, and this is definitely one of them. The most weird thing about that I found it in a thrift shop. We can see that this is an Omega stopwatch, but if you look closer, it's not a stopwatch, because numbers goes from high to big one and from 5 to 0 here. It is a timer, specifically timer only for 5 minutes, nothing else. The only thing it can do is count down 5 minutes. Outside of this, it's pretty useless. It is split second. We can stop it and it will give us precision to 0.2 of a second. That's impressive. And it is old. Rest of stuff I had to really go through internet to figure out what I just got. Only 2 pictures I was able to find online which would show specifically that particular dial. One is a catalog picture, and second is a picture of someone's collection which has that particular stopwatch or a timer. Research shows that most likely this is a yacht timer and been used to start sailing regattas. That's when they use this 5-minute countdown. Age of it, it's approximately very late 60s, early 70s. But I really want to know more about this device. I need to open it in order to find what is the serial number. Here's a problem, I cannot. It's properly stuck, and then I gave it to professional watch maker, watch specialist. He gave it a try and said, I can open it, but I probably will scratch the hell out of back plate and this is no go. So he decided not to take risks and give it back to me. So it's up to me and my weird collection of equipment to open this watch and find out the history of it. I don't want to scratch it. It's really nice piece of clockwork. So I have to apply a significant force to the back plate, which thankfully flat. So I'm thinking, what if I will laser engrave a block of metal which would grab those notches and enable me to turn. But as much force I apply here, the same amount of force have to be applied on the other side, and I really don't want to break the crystal. The case looks like very strong, so let's design something that's going to hold the case without applying any power or force to the crystal. And let's see what can I do with fiber pulse laser to design a custom tool to open the back plate. Okay, now we have our tools. This is printed out of TPU. It's actually like a rubber. I need to make sure that I will not damage anything. So, wow, it's actually fit. It doesn't happen very often. Things rarely work from first attempt, but that looks like a very snug, very good fit, which gives me plenty of ability to grip it, distribute the force without risk of damaging the actual stopwatch. That was something I never done before, so that's going to be interesting. So, here goes nothing. Wow, that one fit as well. Okay, I guess I'm pressing myself. And it moved. Huh. Amazing. Wow. That is amazing. I have a serial number, and I have a movement number, and I have some Omega engravings here. That is incredible. The finish of screws is just an absolute mirror. Yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to put those numbers on the screen for all of you to see. If you happen to be an expert in vintage Omega pieces, I would definitely appreciate the help. What I think that was one of the stopwatches which was used in 1972 Olympic regatta, Olympic Games. I would love to prove it. If you happen to be a knowledgeable person or you work for Omega, please send me a message, help me to find out when exactly this piece was made, and is there any historical records on it. That would be super amazing to learn, and I would definitely appreciate the help from someone who knows way more than I do.